Okay, let's see. We are back with another uncut version. Nothing is practice here. This is how we come into the office. And it looks like we need to put an overflow drain and a storm drain in this area. So we got these three sets. Let's take a look at the second level. That's the roof plan. Second level. Okay. Second level, yeah, that looks good. Second level, then we go down. And the first level, do I have this up here? Yeah, okay. First level, uh-oh. What's going on here? Why I need, okay, looks like we got okay. So it looks like I'm gonna have to do a view range problem. So let's look at the section view. Right click on that section and go to that view. Let's take a look. So the overflow is showing. I don't want it to show. Second level, first level. Yeah. So let's look at this. I think let's go back. Right, it's the overflow that's showing. Right? Yeah. I'm gonna, yeah, see. Man, is there a way to pin this? The overflow is showing and it is too low. I guess it's too low. Let's go to a view. Let's look at the tile here. And here, and I want the first level. So first level, yeah. So I'm gonna focus on this. Okay, so that's, I think what's going on with that is when I click in this area, it's selecting the model. So what you can do, if I click on it, left click, right, it's showing. So what you can do, you can go up here in the upper left-hand corner and uncheck the select links. So uncheck that and click into a white space. And now when I click, left click in here, the model won't turn red, right? Okay, where am I? I'm losing myself. Okay, so I need to go up, is that right? Do I need to go up? Wait a minute. Let's make this view active and use my arrow key to go up. And let's see what happens in the lower left hand. It should go away, right? Okay, yeah. Okay, so that makes sense. So now, what was I doing? I was gonna put in the roof drains here. Roof drain and overflow drain here. So let's do that. I'm gonna go back, make this guy active, and click on the view tab that shows only one view. So now it's showing in my second level. Okay, let's go back. So why is the second level, the storm drain not showing? But my roof drain, my overflow drain is showing, but my roof drain is not showing. If they're both the same elevation, so they must not be. So I'm gonna make them the same. So what I'm gonna do is let's align one to the other. Align this guy with that guy. Okay, now so that we know we're not going completely crazy here. So if one works, the other should work. So we did that. So I'm back to square one. And what's the square? We're looking at my storm drain and my overflow drain on the planar area. So make the sky active, go to view, and click in the tab view. Not tile views, tab, right? Because I can control tab and it will go to different views. So that's control, tab, control. Just on the hotkey, you click the control and then tab, and it will go to different views. Okay. I usually don't do that. So let's start out with the storm drain. I'm going to right click my storm drain and create similar and go to not the face, because the face is going to be on places the element on a selected face of an host element, such as a wall or a roof or a level. Because if I use this face, let's use the face. Let's go back. Create similar, place on face. See, it recognizes what's going on here. Create similar. Uh-oh, something's not right. Because it's not showing. So if I create similar and it shows here, that's the vertical and face. Work plane should show work plane, but it's not showing work plane. Where am I? I'm on the roof. So I think I need to go to the first level, because the view range is out of range on the roof. I can't get down to the roof. I can't put anything on this. This is the first level. Let's take a look at the section so we can see what's going on. Okay, this is the area or surface or level that I want to put my roof drain on. So it's gonna be what, second level? Not the roof. It's gonna be this level. So right, I think that's what's going on. Yeah, let's try that. But I'm gonna go into my browser and get my plumbing fixture. Okay, and it's gonna be, let's start off with the floor drain or the roof drain, right? Yeah, okay, yeah. So place on face of, or place on work plane, okay, face of. I'm gonna put it right there. And let's take a look at, because I know that it may need to be edited in terms of where it's placed, what level it's going to be placed at. I'm going to go and tighten this guy up just to make sure that I'm seeing everything. Let's go back. Yeah, okay, that looks good. That looks good. And so that's the storm drain. And we got 0 slope. I'm going to bring it down so that I can make sure that it's I need to change the property of it. And the pipe type is not the PVC sanitary. The pipe type is a storm drain. It's a PVC storm drain. I use PVC because Revit doesn't have cast iron, or what other type of pipe would be used? You can use PVC, but usually in this case it would be cast iron. But Revit doesn't have cast iron fittings or cast iron pipes. So, so the reason I'm using PVC is because of the fittings. It doesn't have cast iron fittings. You could probably use the carbon, what they're using, carbon steel. I think the Revit uses carbon steel. Let's check that. Pipe types. Can I check that? And let's go here and change my system to storm drain, right? Okay. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back and look at, let's see if I can get to those properties of types of pipes. Routing preference. Go here. Load family. Segment and sizes. Okay, yeah. Here we go. So there's the segments are carbon steel, ductile iron. That's what I was trying to say. Ductile iron. So those are the pipes. You can use these pipes, but when you go to, let's cancel, okay. But when you go to fit a ductile iron 2-inch to a ductile iron 4-inch using a Y combination, those fittings, let's take a look. Just want to take a look. Those of you in doubt, so I'm going to insert. Let's go and see if we can find these guys. Let's load the family, and it is pipes. I think they're pipes. Pipe fittings. Pipe, yeah, fittings. Okay, pipe fittings. Okay, and you have carbon steel fittings, but these are flanged. All of these are flanged, and I don't want flanged. Generic, we don't want generic. Gray iron, right? Class 25, 125, 250. All of these are flanged, okay? And malleable iron, same thing. All of these guys, steel, all of these. But when you get down to PVC, Schedule 40, there's socket type, drain waste vent, and these are the fittings: plug, caps, drain waste vent, fittings. See, they are not flanged, so that's the reason that I only use plastic. And I mean, it's not real, guys, so it doesn't, you can write in your specs, to use a type of pipe and a type of fitting. But for demonstration purposes and for I don't know, project or just information, we can use the PVC because it's going to work. Otherwise, if you use those other types of pipes, and if you try and use an iron pipe, and it just gets inconsistent and stuff starts to break apart. So I stay with what Revit gives me. You can go out to different sites and get a fitting, I guess, if you're lucky enough to get one that works, or you can get a third party or whatever works. But I like to use Revit and see what it's capable of doing with what it offers us. Okay, so I'm going to draw my pipe, and I'm just gonna free sketch this, right? And now adjust. Let's see. am I gonna, let's go to first level. Is that first level? Yeah, okay, first level. And let's do this. Let's go to a view and tile these views so that we can see what's going on, just in case I get too high or too low section. And we can look at this. So I know there's a beam there. Let's go up. Okay. I don't know where this is gonna put me in terms of the exterior of the building, but I'm gonna find out in a minute. You know, well, you know what? Let's find out now. I'm gonna go here, go to the browser, and look at my building as a whole. And okay, so let's take a look at this guy. Let's spin it around. And where are we? I'm coming out where? Oh, here. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. I can do that. What's that? I don't know what that is. I'm not gonna worry about it right now. Section. Second. I don't need this one. Okay, so section. We're still doing section? Okay, section. So I'm gonna go back into the wall, right? And you can see it on the upper left that it's going back. So now it's hidden behind the wall. So let's see what we're doing on time. Okay, I'm almost finished here. Let's minimize that. Let's get a good view and draw another pipe that's coming out, because what I want to do is, because this is the storm drain, I want to connect into the civil existing storm sewer underground. So it's going to be exposed, not coming through the wall like the overflow is, but it's going to be in the ground or under the building. Okay, so that looks good. Is that the same? Yeah, okay. And again, where are we? Overflow. What we can do, let's just put a roof drain. Yeah, this one. Let's put, I'm looking at the square footage. That's 5,000. That's the area. Let's put half of that. So 12.5. Is that right? Let's see. 12.5. Okay. So that plumbing fixture, I mean, this storm drain is going to take care of, let's say, 1,250 square feet of roof area. And so when we go back to the plot file, which is, I think it's level 1, the enlarged northeast waist. Double click on that guy. And where are we? Are we here? Okay, yeah, that's good. So let's annotate and make sure that we are collecting our data. Tag by category. Attached in, I want a friend with the leader. So am I, yeah, okay. So we got, so that's looking good. So we got that guy. Okay. Now that looks good. So we can always assign our Revit will allow us to do that so that we don't have to guess at, if we have 10 roof drains, then we can always look at our note. Because if I change this area, let's say we change the area that the roof drain will collect, and we are going to lock that again, lock 1200. Let's use 2000. Let's say it's 2000. Then my note should update, right? Yeah, okay. And that's what we want. So we want to be able to count plumbing fixtures while we're doing our as we go through our design, and we want to be able to count as much information as we can. And the area of the square footage that a particular roof drain is handling is critical, because it depends on the size of the pipe, you know. Okay, so I hope that helped, and I will talk to you guys later.